GRDC Chairman Keith Perrott has turned over part of his Liverpool Plains property for collaborative trials run by New South Wales I&I and Landmark AWB, with funding support from the GRDC.
Research over the last 3 or 4 years in the Northern Grains region has shown that there is no agronomic advantage of using liquid phosphorus sources compared to traditional granular phosphorus sources. So if considering moving to these liquid systems in your farming operation, the decision is probably going to be dictated more about some of the other operational benefits of liquids compared to granular products. We're standing at Keith Perrott, Chairman of GRDC's property, looking at phosphorus trials that we're running as part of a GRDC funded agribusiness grant, working with Landmark AWB. The reason we're running these trials is that there's been a real interest in phosphorus management in recent years, particularly because we've seen a real increase in the price of phosphorus fertilisers, and it's been quite erratic, and also a range of new products that are available on the market, and in particular liquid formulations of phosphorus and how they fit into our cropping systems. There has been research done in South Australia particularly, which has shown some benefits of liquid phosphorus on nutrition, particularly under fairly extreme soil conditions, highly calcareous, very high pH soils. And the question was, how do they fit into our system in the Northern Grains region? So we've actually been doing trials for about 3 years now, having a look at this issue, comparing different formulations of liquid P versus granular P. The work is typically run looking at a whole range of different rates of fertiliser across those products to try to identify if there's greater efficiencies out of using liquid products compared to granular products. Now, the research to date has certainly shown that under our typical soil conditions on our verticile soils with fairly neutral to moderate pHs, we haven't seen any differences in the responses of crops, be it wheat or barley, to their phosphorus efficiency. So it doesn't matter in our systems if we use a granular product versus a liquid product in terms of crop performance.